Hi, my name's Juergen Hoehne, and I'm going to tell you how to find out the health of your all subscribers list in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It's straight up easy. And actually, you in senior management should be asking this. How healthy is my cloud? Here it is. First off, let me move my head and move it all the way down to the bottom. This is in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It's the master or main all subscribers list, right? And that has all subscribers list, and they're linked into Salesforce, right? So when you go up to here, this is where it all is. And then when you go profile management, and there's all the data extensions that absorb the data from the different sources, Google Analytics, Salesforce, whatever, right? These are all your things. This is just email extensions, right? And it's an email studio, all subscriber list. This is 380,095 subscribers. And then the question is, how do you find out if they're any good, right? Like this. 94%, you can see up here, 94% are active, only 2% bounced, right? Undeliverable, 2% here, and unsubscribed, 3%. So 11,022 unsubscribed, 2%, 7,818 just undelivered. It doesn't mean they bounced, it just kind of went and nothing happened, versus bounce means not in existence, right? And then active. So this is a pretty healthy list, but you got to keep managing it, because otherwise you're going to get noted as a spam person. You know, like if 50% of your list is spammed or bounced, it's a no-go. You're going to get blocked by your providers. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And this is the details of this, right? Keep this in mind. Thank you so much. Make sure you know what your bounce rate is, what your delivery rate is, and grow that marketing list. Have a great day. Thank you.